I knew that was gonna happen.
The last one that we're blah blah blah
Blah, blah, blah.
blah 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 blah.
Is your main concern those dark circles under your eyes?
Watch this video and we'll teach you how to brighten up the under eye area with just a small amount of makeup.
Welcome back to the Green Beauty Collective, your holistic beauty channel for all things natural, makeup, skincare, and nutrition.
I'm Amanda.
And I'm Jacqueline.
I'm a makeup artist and holistic nutritionist.
And I am a makeup artist and hairstylist.
And we're also skin specialists. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the bell to be notified for when we release a video every Tuesday. In this video, we'll help to give you some insight about why you might have some dark circles, how you can improve them without makeup, and then also how you can conceal with a little bit of makeup. The first point I'm going to mention is for dark circles, or potentially why you have them. It could be a nutritional deficiency, lack of sleep. It could just be part of your genetic makeup as well.
And usually when it's part of your genetic makeup, there aren't a lot of things that you can do other than concealing. So here's how to brighten your under eyes without makeup. And I know a lot of us can do this. But Amanda suggested take a 3-week vacation, and
right?
So I'm going to take a 3-week vacation.
We all have time for a 3-week vacation.
Right? Some of the things that you can do are drinking more water, getting more sleep when you can. A lot of us who live downtown, there's lots of noises around, it's really bright. So wearing an eye mask and earplugs when you're going to bed if you're really lacking in sleep. Also taking some nutritional supplements such as iron.
Even a really good quality multivitamin, like the Prawn and Organic A to Z is an amazing multi just to help fill in the holes that you might be missing in your everyday diet.
And then Amanda had a really good tip. Brew some tea bags, let them cool, and then put them over your eyes and give yourself like a 10 to 15 minute break with those tea bags on your eyes, and it's really going to help the blood flow in that area. And you can also really lightly massage that area out to move some of the blood out from under your eyes as well. So there are a few things that you can do to help improve the under eye darkness without makeup. Out of all of these things that you can do to brighten your eyes without makeup, which one are you most excited to try? Make sure to comment below. We're not going to give away a free 3-week vacation, but we do want to know which technique is the most intriguing to you.
The third point we're going to mention about helping to brighten up the under eye area is using light reflecting makeup. And what I mean by that is using a product like the Elate Wonder or even the Brighten Glow. These products contain a little bit of this mineral pigment that reflects the light when you apply it to darker corners or lower points of the face, and what that helps to do is bring those features forward. So when we apply a little bit of highlighter in here, it's going to catch the light, or a tiny bit of highlighter here, it's also going to catch the light and just help everything appear brighter.
The next thing that you can do if you do want to get a little bit more advanced before you put on your concealer is color correction. And so you can use products that are more of yellow or orange undertones if you really want to kill that blue underneath the eye. And so you can really just lightly stipple this color under the eye and then put your concealer over top, and this is just really lightly going to help correct that color underneath the eye. We find that these products are a little bit harder to find in the natural world, but we have found color correctors from a brand called Au Natural Life, and they are a US brand, but they have 4 different color correctors. They have a lilac, they have a green, they have a yellow, and they have kind of a beigey one as well. And so if you need a little bit of color correcting, that's where I would say to go to if you want to find some color correctors.
The fifth point we're going to mention is it's my favorite, concealer. It's so easy. When you take a little bit of your natural concealer, you can just stipple it in the under eye with your finger or lightly using a brush and blend it right into the skin. This is immediately going to conceal some of that darkness, even out skin tone, and help you feel a little more pulled together, even if you're not quite feeling the most rested or pulled together.
What do you feel about the triangle technique? Do people need to do that?
The triangle technique. I think for everyday use, no triangle technique. It's a very specific technique. It's better for photo shoots and for stage and a little bit more of a glamorous look. But if you're more of a non-makeup wear or more natural makeup style wear, just a little bit in the inner corner and blending it from the inner corner outwards slightly, and just a little bit here if you have redness on the corner of the eye.
So now you know exactly how to brighten under your eyes, color correct, and conceal your dark circles.
We've made it really easy for you. All the products that we've mentioned are in the description bar below. And if you're curious about just trying product first, doing a little browsing or sampling, we do have a sample program via our website on thegreenbeautycollective.com.
And that'll make it a little bit easier for you to try a product before you commit to it, especially when it comes to trying different colors. If you're looking to join a community of people just like you, who are interested in natural makeup and natural skincare, holistic living, and holistic nutrition, we've created a private Facebook group called the Green Beauty Community, and it's a place where you can join and talk about different things and get different advice on natural beauty products and DIY projects, anything that is kind of in the category of natural beauty. It is a group that you do have to join, so you can find that on Facebook. We've linked the link in the description bar below, and we would be super excited for you to be there. And we have some exclusive things going on there as well, so you might want to check it out.
Check it out.
If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for weekly videos. And if you feel like someone you know may benefit from this information, make sure to share it with them through the link below. And like always,
see you next Tuesday. See you next week.